Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can add cryptocurrencies to your portfolio using the BitScreener app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the BitScreener app, then go to the portfolio section and open your portfolio. If you do not have a portfolio yet on BitScreener, you can create one by tap on add new portfolio, and you can use a few ways to create a portfolio: creating by an exchange API, creating by an exchange CSV, or you can create your portfolio by manual input, which means you create your portfolio and add your cryptos manually, this way that I'm going to show you right now. So in my portfolio right now, I have $453 million worth of Bitcoin, which is exactly 10,000 Bitcoins. Today it grew by $400,000, but the market is very volatile and it's changing very quickly today. As you can see, my profits for today are 400,000, 480,000, 485,000, and yeah, it's changing very quickly. Now to show you 496. Now to show you how to add new cryptos to the portfolio, here in the search bar you just have to search for a crypto. Let's say I'm going to add my Ripples. I type in Ripple and you can see Ripple Alpha, or you can add Ethereum. Let's see Ethereum, and here you can add the price that you bought your Ethereum. You can add the amount of Ethereum that you want to add to your portfolio. Let's say 101 million Ethereums, and it's set to buy. Crypto portfolio, oh my god, so I just went back 1 million. And when everything is set up, you just have to tap on add, and it's going to add it to your portfolio. Hopefully, yes, I have 1 million Ethereums in my portfolio here. Now my portfolio is worth $3,780,000,000 with 1 million Ethereums and 10,000 Bitcoins. And on the right side, you can see the profits and the losses for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more about passive income ideas and building businesses online, just check out my playlist on the left to learn more. It is a free playlist on YouTube. You don't have to pay for any courses or anything. Just start this playlist and you can learn everything. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.